didn't get a chance to say goodbye. It's just unfair that she's gone. It's like if we can't keep each other safe, then why are we even doing any of this?
It's hard to listen to a heart beating close to mine, pounding up against the stone and steel walls that I won't climb. Sometimes the hurt is so deep, 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 you think that you're gonna drown. Sometimes all I can do is weep, weep, weep with all this rain.